Welcome back to the channel, tech enthusiasts and PC builders. If you are watching this video, chances are you are either planning to build a brand new top-tier gaming rig, or you are finally ready to retire your old graphics card and step into the future of ultra-high-definition gaming. Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at an absolute monster of a graphics card that has been making massive waves in the PC gaming community, the ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT OC Edition. Before we dive into the insane specs, like its mind-blowing 4000 MHz clock speed and cutting-edge DisplayPort 2.1a capabilities, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you decide by the end of this video that this is the exact graphics card your system needs, I have left a direct link to it down in the description below, so you can check the current pricing and availability on Amazon. Let's get right into it. Let's kick things off by talking about the physical presence and design of the ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT OC Edition. ASUS has always been known for their incredible engineering, and the Prime series strikes the perfect balance between professional aesthetics and hardcore gaming performance. This card features a sleek 2.5-slot design. Why does that matter to you? Because in an era where graphics cards are becoming massive, heavy bricks that barely fit into standard cases, this 2.5-slot footprint offers maximum compatibility. It means you can fit this powerhouse into a wide variety of desktop cases, from spacious full towers to more compact mid-tower builds, without having to take a saw to your PC chassis. But ASUS didn't just stop at making it fit perfectly. They also included a highly durable GPU guard. If you've ever built a PC with a heavy, high-end graphics card, you know all about the dreaded GPU sag. Over time, the weight of the card can pull on your motherboard's PCIe slot, potentially causing damage or connection issues. The integrated GPU guard provides structural rigidity and physical reinforcement, giving you total peace of mind that your investment is safe, secure, and perfectly level inside your case. Now, let's get into the real reason you clicked on this video, the raw, unadulterated performance. Under the hood, this card is powered by the AMD RX 9070 coprocessor. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it is a generational leap. The absolute standout specification here is the GPU clock speed. Out of the box, the OC edition, which stands for overclocked, pushes an astronomical 4000 MHz. Yes, you heard me correctly, 4000 MHz. In the world of gaming, higher clock speeds translate directly into faster frame rendering, smoother gameplay, and lower latency. Whether you are playing highly competitive first-person shooters where every single millisecond matters, or you are exploring massive, sprawling open-world RPGs with ray tracing turned all the way up, this GPU clock speed ensures that stutters and frame drops are a thing of the past. Pairing with that incredible processing speed is 16 gigabytes of high-speed GDDR6 graphic RAM, which also runs at a memory clock speed of 4000 MHz. Why is 16 the magic number? Modern AAA game titles are using more and more high-resolution textures. If your graphics card doesn't have enough VRAM, it has to constantly swap data with your system memory, which causes massive performance hits. With 16 gigabytes of GDDR6, you have a massive, ultra-fast buffer that allows you to crank up the texture details to max at 1440p and 4K resolutions without breaking a sweat. It also makes this card an absolute dream for content creators working with heavy 4K video editing or complex 3D rendering. Of course, with all that power comes the potential for heat, but ASUS has you completely covered with their industry-leading cooling solutions. The ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT features their famous Axial-tech fans. These aren't your average PC fans. They are specifically engineered with a smaller fan hub that facilitates longer blades and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure. This means that cold air is being blasted directly onto the massive heatsink with incredible efficiency, keeping your temperatures incredibly low, even during marathon gaming sessions. Furthermore, these fans are built using dual ball fan bearings. When you're dropping top dollar on a premium graphics card, you want it to last. Traditional sleeve bearings can dry out and fail over time, causing your fans to rattle or stop spinning entirely. Dual ball bearings, on the other hand, can last up to twice as long.
This is a crucial durability feature that ensures your investment is safe, secure, and perfectly level inside your case.
And we can't talk about ASUS features without mentioning the dual BIOS switch. I absolutely love this feature. Right on the physical card, you have a hardware switch that lets you toggle between a performance mode and a quiet mode. If you're wearing a headset and want maximum frame rates, flip it to performance. If you're working on a spreadsheet, browsing the web, or watching a movie, flip it to quiet mode, and the fan curve will adjust to give you a whisper-quiet computing experience without ever needing to mess around in complicated software menus. Let's talk about future-proofing. When you buy a GPU of this caliber, you aren't just buying for the games of today, you're preparing for the games and monitors of tomorrow. The ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT OC Edition utilizes the ultra-fast PCI Express 5.0 x16 interface. PCIe 5.0 doubles the bandwidth of the previous generation. This ensures that there is absolutely no bottleneck between your processor, your motherboard, and your graphics card. Data flows instantaneously. But perhaps the most exciting feature for display enthusiasts is the video output interface. This graphics card comes equipped with 3 native DisplayPort 2.1a connections and 1 native HDMI 2.1b port. DisplayPort 2.1a is an absolute game changer. It offers completely unprecedented bandwidth, allowing this card to support a maximum display resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. That is 8K resolution, ladies and gentlemen. Even if you aren't gaming in 8K right now, DisplayPort 2.1a means you can drive top-tier 4K monitors at incredibly high refresh rates, like 240 Hz or even higher, without needing to use display stream compression. It provides the purest, most uncompressed visual fidelity possible. Whether you're hooking up a high-end OLED gaming monitor or connecting to your living room's 4K OLED TV via HDMI 2.1b, you are guaranteed the absolute best picture quality and refresh rates available on the market today. So, who is the ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT OC Edition actually for? This card is purpose-built for the serious desktop user. It requires a desktop environment because it needs the space, the power supply, and the thermal headroom to do what it does best. If you are currently struggling to run the latest Unreal Engine 5 games at decent frame rates, if you're tired of turning down your in-game settings to medium or low, or if you're a professional who needs a massive 16GB VRAM buffer to accelerate your creative workflow, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for. It's the perfect blend of AMD's bleeding-edge RDNA architecture and ASUS's premium, reliable aftermarket design. In conclusion, the ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT OC Edition is a triumph of modern PC hardware. With its staggering 4000 MHz clock speeds, robust 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, brilliant thermal management with Axial-tech fans, and future-proof DisplayPort 2.1a outputs, it is an investment that will keep your desktop at the pinnacle of performance for years to come. If you are ready to take your PC build to the absolute next level, do not wait. Click the link in the description below to head over to Amazon and grab yours today. Buying through that link helps support the channel and allows me to keep making deep dive hardware reviews just like this one. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, leave a comment letting me know what processor you are planning to pair this beast with, and subscribe for more epic tech content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.